MP Mian Altaf writes to LG CM for consideration of demand of CCA aspirants seeking relaxation in upper age limit for JKPSC. The MP also urged the Chief Secretary of Jammu and Kashmir to look into the demand for its redressal. Jammu and Kashmir National Conference JKNC senior leader and member of parliament Mian Altaf Ahmed has urged the Lieutenant Colonel Manoj SInha and Chief Minister Umar Abdullah to address the age relaxation for Jammu and Kashmir combined competitive examinations. In a statement issued, MP Mian Altaf said that after receiving a representation from the CCA aspirants, he raised the demand for equality for the aspirants and have written a letter to the Lieutenant Governor and Chief Minister Umar Abdullah for consideration and redressal of the concern put forth for the aspirants. As per the statement, in a letter addressed to the LG and the Chief Minister, the MP Mian Altaf said that request of open category candidates regarding their age relaxation in JKPSC Combined Competitive Examination 2025 is very, very genuine. Jammu Kashmir is only UT in our country which is having such age limit of 21 to 32 years. I hope you will personally look into it and issue necessary instructions. Mian Altaf said that aspirants of the Jammu and Kashmir Combined Competitive Examinations in their representation have urged to restore the 5-year age relaxation for open merit candidates in the upcoming JKAS 2025 examinations, raising the upper age limit from 32 to 37 years. The aspirant said that candidates from the open merit category had been availing a 5-year age relaxation since 2010, which was also extended during the JKAS 2018 and 2021 examinations. However, since the 2022 notification, aspirants said the relaxation has been withdrawn, restricting the upper age limit for open merit candidates to 32 years.